Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the postgraduates as well as undergraduates guys. Why? Because whatever the vacancies I am going to show you right now from one of the government university. So it is announcing the vacancies for the only postgraduates as well as the any graduates guys. And as per the pay scales mentioned in the notification, I kept here the salaries for only PG 1,12,400 rupees per month up to, and for any graduates 63,200 rupees per month. Fine. So these are all the permanent vacancies guys, and I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of permanent vacancies in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like to this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is Netaji Subhash University of Technology, government of NCT of Delhi, and it is a state university guys. So from this one here, we got few non-teaching vacancies guys, and here the starting date of online registration is 27th June 2021, that is from today onwards, and the closing date of online application form is 31st July 2021. Okay, so here I got few notifications regarding this non-teaching vacancies guys, and I will show you all these things. So recruitment notice, advertisement for various non-teaching post group B and C, ministerial or the technical. Online applications on the prescribed format are invited from the eligible candidates for direct recruitment to the following non-teaching group B and C positions, latest by the 31st July 2021. Okay, and coming to the category wise, they mentioned here lower divisional clerk. Okay, the pay scale is mentioned level 2, 63,200 up to, and the junior steno and upper divisional clerk and the library assistant and junior mechanic and head clerk and senior technical assistant and assistant storekeeper, junior programmer and the technical assistant. So as per the levels, the pay scales are also mentioned here, and the total number of vacancies are 126 vacancies are there guys. And as per the caste category also, here the number of vacancies are split up in this table. So please utilize this opportunity, and the PWD reservations will be applicable as per the prevalent rules. And the qualifications, okay, I will show you the qualifications guys, and it is a one more detailed PDF regarding the qualifications and all these things. So first one, lower divisional clerk guys. So here group C post, total 35 vacancies are there. Essential 12th class or equivalent qualification from a recognized board or university, a typing speed of minimum 35 words per minute in English or the computers. And here the pay scale is mentioned. Okay, so pay matrix, 63,200 rupees as per the 7th CPC. Upper age limit is 27 years. And while coming to the next one, junior stenographer, total 10 vacancies are there, and the essential qualification 10th 12th class pass or equivalent from a recognized board or university, and the skill test norms will be there, and the dictation 10 minutes at the rate minimum 80 words per minute, and the pay scale is mentioned 81,100 rupees up to, and upper age limit is 27 years. And coming to the upper divisional clerk, total 8 vacancies are there, bachelor's degree from any recognized university and a typing speed of 35 words per minute, and the pay band is up to 81,100 rupees as per the 7th CPC. Maximum age limit is 27 years. And the next one is library assistant, 2 vacancies are there. Essential requirements are BE or BSc or BCom with certificate in library science, or diploma in library science with 2 years of full-time experience, or bachelor's degree in the library science. And as per the 7th CPC level 4, the pay scale is 81,100 rupees up to, and the 27 years age limit. Next one, the junior mechanic, total 21 vacancies are there. So the name of the department, CSC or IT, ECE, mechanical, BSc, ICE, civil, design. Total 21 vacancies are there under this junior mechanic, and the qualification required is ITA in relevant field and 2 years of experience, or else a diploma or degree in the engineering in the appropriate field. And the pay scales are mentioned here as per the 7 CPC, 63,200 rupees per month, and upper age limit is at 27 years. And next one, head clerk, total 7 vacancies are there. Graduation from the recognized university, and a typing speed 35 words per minute in English on a computer, and pay scale 7 CPC, 1,42,400 rupees per month up to, and age limit is 30 years. And next one is senior technical assistant. So here the total 3 vacancies are there. Fine. And the qualification required is for diploma with 5 years of experience or else BTech or BE in the relevant discipline. And the pay scale up to 1,12,400 rupees per month as per the 7 CPC. Upper age limit is 30 years. Next one, assistant storekeeper, 1 vacancy is there, and 12th pass, and a typing speed must be there. 63,200 rupees up to as per the 7 CPC. Upper age limit is 27 years. Next one is a junior programmer. Total 13 vacancies are there. MTech with specialization in computer science or IT or software programming, or else master in computer applications. So 1,12,400 rupees as per the level 6 7th CPC, and the upper age limit is 30 years. Next one is the technical assistant are given, and the departments are CSC or IT, ECE mechanical, BSc, EE chemistry, physics, civil design. Total 26 vacancies are there. And coming to the essential qualifications for engineering departments, state board diploma or equivalent in relevant subject, BTech or BE in relevant discipline. And for physics and chemistry, BSc with 2 years of experience or else MSc in the relevant field, and the 92,300 rupees per month as per the level 5 7th CPC. Fine. And here they mentioned that this post is identified suitable for acid attack victim, dwarfism, PWD, OL or HH candidates in all the cases. So this point is mentioned in all the recruitment notifications, guys. And the above vacancies are tentative. Okay, they may vary. And age relaxations as per the Government of India norms, guys. Okay, you may check down. And application form filling as per the eligibility criteria. The candidate must be citizen of India, and educational qualification, experience, age, everything as per the 1st June 2021. And the age limits are also mentioned here. The reservation benefits are also mentioned. Okay, so you please check down all these details, guys. And here the age limitation, age relaxation as per the caste category also mentioned here, so you may check down. And I will provide all these links in the description box of this video, guys. Here the selection criteria is also given. So candidates who will obtain the minimum cut of qualifying marks will be shortlisted for skill test or laboratory practical test and personal interview, whichever is applicable to the corresponding post. Okay, and the online application form also I will show you, guys. Fine. So it is an online application form, and you just scroll down here, click on this I agree, and then start, or else already registered candidates can click here to log in. Okay, so if you click on the start button by clicking this agree, then the registration process will start, guys, and then you have to start filling up of the application form. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, And from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge, okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes, okay. But before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.